or welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a project share, and this is for the Kandee Girl. That is her channel name. So Kandee is hosting a 500 subby giveaway, and she's giving away all these goodies, and she's asking for a Crafter's Choice project to be mailed to her. And a VR is always nice to help spread our friends' names and channels so that we could share them and meet new friends. So I decided to make Kandee a pocket letter. It's been a long time since I've really made one, and they're super fun to me. I love them, and I hope she likes it as much as I do. So Kandee, guys, she loves sweets, she loves pink, she loves hearts, and I figured why not make a Valentine's pocket letter. So I have two pocket letters that I've created because one is for Kandee and one is for somebody else. So I'm gonna just turn the camera so that you guys can see a better look. These are the two pocket letters that I've created. One, like I said, is for Kandee and one is for someone else. And they're very similar but a little bit different. So I'm gonna just start with this one right here. So I made this pretty tassel at the top here, and I added these little charms. So I thought that was really cute on the side here, and this pretty washi. And then in this first pocket here, I made this really cute ATC, and it has a mini little envelope you guys could see, and there's mini little tags that I put inside here. Super cute, love it. And I did double side all of my little ATC cards. So now this one here has the bear. I love it, so cute. Somebody gave me this bear, and this banner was from the Dollar Tree Valentine's little felt banner pack. So I thought that was cute. Now this one is one of my favorites. I've been hoarding these pictures. Somebody gifted me these, and I think they're so cute. So in each of the pocket letters, I added one in this little tuck spot because I didn't want to ruin it. So I put that in just like that, added the little butterfly and a heart and bling. And then over here, very simple on this pocket, I just added simply one of those Dollar Tree stickers and a little flat back pearl. I'm gonna put these in after. All my little goodies are falling out here. And then this middle pocket, of course, I love to do a shaker in the middle. So that has a lot of good sequins in there if they wanna take it out. And then I made a little rosette. And on this one, I just added some of these little strips at the bottom, just something different. Over here is the same as this one, sort of. I forgot to mention I stitched on some trim. And this one, I just lightly made the wood a little bit pink with my ink. Then down here, also some simple pockets. I used these felt. These were the felt hearts from that banner I was saying. And I thought it was cute. And then I added the little sentiment sweet. I used my, my little label maker. And I was able to do that. And I thought that was a great idea. I hadn't thought to do that before. So that was that one. And then over here, somebody had gifted me here this pretty embellishment. I can't recall who. So I decided to share it because it worked really well on this ATC card. And then over here in the last pocket, again, was the same thing. I used those felt hearts, the bling. Those were from that banner, and then I added XOXO, and I made that again with my label maker. So that's really a good idea to use your label maker if you don't have a lot of word sentiments. And I don't, and I do have a lot of the tape for my label maker in different colors, so very cool idea. So of course, this is the front. That's exactly what it looks like. And then I stuffed every back pocket with a whole bunch of fun goodies, some blings, some of those felt hearts and other hearts. These are just die cuts, candies, pom-poms, and yeah. So I hope that this goes over well. I love it. And now I'm gonna show you my other pocket letter, which is similar but just slightly different. So this one here has the tassel again, and I made some charms. And then in this first pocket here is this cute little cat. And then I also used my label maker and I put kitty kisses down there. And I love this card because I love cats. And then this one up here, I did use that banner with the bling behind it, some hearts there. And then this one is that cute one that has the picture of that cute girl, and I made the tuck spot, and I had one random feather. I don't know where this red feather came from, but it went so perfect on here. So I did that. And then I'll put these after everything starts falling out. Over here we got the simple one with the wood chip heart, and I added the bling just over there, some chunky bling, and you see I stitched on some trim. And then here is my shaker and my little rosette there. And then this matches this pocket. And then down here, this was just like the other one. I used the felt hearts and the bling and my label maker for XOXO. This was the other one that was gifted to me, that adorable embellishment. And then here, I used my label maker to do sweet, and I thought it came out really perfect. So I'm just gonna stuff everything back in. So here's a final look at the front, guys, and it's so adorable. I hope that both my girls that get these enjoy them. And in the back, you could see it's double-sided just like the other one, and I stuffed a bunch of goodies in each pocket. All right, guys, that is it for today. That's what I've created, and one of these pocket letters that I've just shared is gonna go out to Kandee, channel name The Kandee Girl, and I'll link it all down below so you guys can go check her out if you don't know her already. So, hope you like videos like this, guys. Please give it a thumbs up. As always, I hope you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.